It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Looking for a fun and educational way to spend spring break? Drop in spring break. Into the Woods is the perfect event for families to explore nature, meet new animals, and discover Surrey's parks and wildlife. Held at the Museum of Surrey from March 18th to March 28th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. daily, this free event offers hands on activities like visiting vendor tables, creating crafts, and taking part in a forest themed scavenger hunt. Guests will also enjoy interactive experiences with Dr. Recycle, where kids can make animals out of recyclable materials, and the Surrey Youth Stewardship Squad, who will teach about park conservation. Sharp will introduce visitors to Surrey's rivers and salmon habitats, while Parks Canada will invite participants to play wildlife detective. Plus, on March 18th only, the Northern Spotted Owl Breeding Program will host a special presentation on owl conservation. This event is a fantastic opportunity to connect with nature, learn about local wildlife, and engage with the community, all while having fun. Will you be joining in on the adventure?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home.